Kidney patients. 4 proteins you should eat and 6 you should never touch. Imagine eating a piece of fish or grabbing a quick sandwich and unknowingly damaging your kidneys with every single bite. For millions living with kidney disease or even just borderline kidney issues, the wrong kind of protein can silently speed up kidney failure. But the right kind? It can protect your kidneys, preserve your strength, and even slow down disease progression. In this video, you're going to discover 4 of the safest proteins your kidneys actually love, and 6 dangerous ones you should never touch, even if they look healthy on the surface. Every protein we're about to cover has been fact-checked by health researchers and carefully selected for people with kidney challenges. Whether you're on a renal diet, watching your creatinine levels, or just trying to stay off dialysis, this video will help you eat smarter, without fear or guesswork. And here's something you don't want to miss. Near the end, I'll share one simple protein swap that could dramatically reduce the toxin load on your kidneys overnight. It's something most people overlook, but it could change everything. So stay with me. This could be one of the most important videos you watch for your kidney health. Number 1, egg whites. Let's talk about one of the safest, most kidney-friendly proteins out there, egg whites. If you've been worried about protein and how it affects your kidneys, this is one food you can actually feel good about. Egg whites are like a gift for people with kidney issues. Why? Because they give you high-quality protein without the heavy phosphorus, potassium, or fat that can stress your kidneys. You see, when your kidneys aren't working at full strength, you have to be really picky about the type of protein you eat. The wrong kind can build up toxins in your blood. But egg whites? They're gentle. They deliver just the good stuff. Pure, clean protein that helps your body maintain muscle and repair tissue without overworking your kidneys. And here's the bonus. You can add them to almost anything. Scramble them for breakfast, mix them into oatmeal, stir them into soups, or even add them to your smoothie for a protein boost without any extra baggage. A lot of people think they need to cut protein completely when they hear kidney problem, but that's not true. It's about choosing the right kind of protein in the right amounts, and egg whites are one of the best choices you can make. So if you're rebuilding your meals with kidney health in mind, don't skip this one. Egg whites are simple, powerful, and kidney safe. Number 2, skinless chicken breast. Now let's move on to another excellent protein choice for your kidneys, skinless chicken breast. Notice I said skinless. And that's important. Removing the skin cuts out unnecessary saturated fat and sodium, which can quietly sneak into your meals and burden your kidneys even more. Chicken breast is a lean, complete protein, meaning it has all the essential amino acids your body needs for healing and strength. For kidney patients, especially those on a low sodium or low phosphorus diet, it's a great option, as long as you prepare it the right way. Skip the frying. Instead, go for grilled, baked, boiled, or even shredded into a veggie-rich soup. And here's a little motivation. Eating clean proteins like this doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. You can season it with fresh herbs, a splash of lemon, or even a sprinkle of turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. It's all about making smart swaps that protect your kidneys while still enjoying your meals. Number 3, fresh fish like tilapia or salmon. Coming in at number 3 is fresh fish like tilapia or salmon, but let's be clear, moderation is key here. Fish is a high-quality protein and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health, a big win for kidney patients. Salmon in particular has a beautiful balance of protein and healthy fats, and tilapia is mild, lean, and easy on your system. But remember, when you're living with kidney disease, too much protein, even the good kind, can still be hard on your kidneys. So think of fish as a twice-a-week treat, not an everyday go-to. What's important is how you prepare it. Always go for fresh or frozen, not smoked, canned, or salted, and skip the heavy sauces. A squeeze of lemon, some garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil can turn your fish into something delicious and healing. Your kidneys and your taste buds will thank you. Number 4, plant-based proteins like tofu or unsalted tempeh. Last but definitely not least on the yes list is plant-based protein, and that includes kidney-safe options like tofu and unsalted tempeh. These foods are underrated heroes when it comes to supporting kidney health. They're lower in phosphorus and don't come with the cholesterol you get from animal products. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which helps with digestion and controlling blood sugar, two things that are often connected to kidney disease. Tofu is super versatile. You can cube it into stir-fries, blend it into smoothies, or even bake it as a snack. Tempeh has a nuttier texture and works beautifully in wraps, stews, or sautéed with veggies. Just always make sure it's the unsalted version, because many store-bought options come pre-seasoned with loads of sodium. Switching to plant-based proteins a few times a week can give your kidneys a break, lower inflammation, and still meet your body's protein needs. It's a small change with a big impact. Now let's talk about the proteins that can harm your kidneys. Now we've covered the proteins your kidneys love, clean, light, and healing, but just as important is knowing which ones to completely avoid. Some proteins may look harmless, but they're actually ticking time bombs when it comes to kidney health. Let's walk through the 6 proteins you should never touch if you're serious about protecting your kidneys. Number 1, processed meats like sausages and hot dogs. These are some of the worst offenders. Processed meats, like sausages, hot dogs, and meat patties, are loaded with sodium, phosphorus additives, and preservatives. That means double trouble for your kidneys. They don't just raise your blood pressure, they also dump extra phosphorus into your bloodstream, which weak kidneys can't handle well. And the scary part? These ingredients aren't always listed clearly on the label. If you're eating these regularly, you're not just risking kidney function, you're putting pressure on your heart and blood vessels too. Swap them out completely. There are far healthier options that don't bring this level of damage. Number 2, canned meats like corned beef or Spam. Next up, canned meats, including corned beef, Spam, and other shelf-stable meat products. These are super convenient, yes, but convenience comes with a cost. They're sky-high in sodium, and many are preserved with nitrates and other chemicals that are incredibly harsh on kidneys. Plus, the phosphorus content, again, is usually through the roof, often hidden in the form of phosphate additives. Your kidneys already have to work hard. Don't overload them with these hidden dangers. Fresh is always better, and your health is worth the extra few minutes in the kitchen. Number 3, red meats with high fat content. Everyone loves a juicy steak, But for kidney patients, fatty red meats like ribeye, T-bone, or brisket are simply not worth the risk. These cuts are high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which not only strain your kidneys, but also increase your risk of heart disease, a common issue in people with chronic kidney problems. They're also more acidic and harder for your body to break down, which leads to more waste building up in your blood. If you really crave red meat, talk to your dietitian about the safest cuts and portion sizes, but make it a rare treat, not a regular part of your diet. Number 4. Organ meats, kidney, liver, tripe. Ironically, organ meats are often pushed as being nutritious, but for kidney patients, they're a danger zone. Liver, kidney, tripe, and other organ meats are packed with purines, which your body breaks down into uric acid. Too much uric acid can lead to painful gout attacks, and in people with kidney issues, it builds up even faster. Plus, organ meats contain high levels of phosphorus and cholesterol, two things you absolutely need to limit if your kidneys are struggling. So if you've been eating these for energy or tradition, now's the time to let them go for your long-term health. Number 5. Deli meats and cured hams / thinly sliced, easy to throw in a sandwich. But don't be fooled. Deli meats, including ham, turkey slices, and roast beef from the counter, are loaded with salt and chemical preservatives. Even the ones labeled low sodium often have hidden phosphorus or potassium additives, and if it's been smoked or cured, that just adds another layer of toxins that your kidneys have to deal with. Skip the deli meats. Try fresh, home-cooked lean chicken or turkey breast instead. It's much safer and better for your kidneys. Number 6. Salted or smoked fish, like stockfish or mackerel in brine. Finally, let's talk about salted and smoked fish, like stockfish, dried mackerel, or sardines in brine. These are traditional favorites in many homes, but they're extremely high in sodium and preservatives. Even small portions can skyrocket your sodium intake for the day. And that kind of salt load can lead to high blood pressure, fluid retention, and increased stress on your kidneys, especially if you're already dealing with chronic kidney disease. Stick to fresh fish, prepared gently, and leave the salted versions on the shelf. Your kidneys need protection, not pressure. Summary. So let's quickly recap what we've covered. You've just learned about the 4 kidney-safe proteins that can help you stay strong without overworking your kidneys, like egg whites, skinless chicken, fresh fish in moderation, and plant-based options like tofu. These are clean, powerful sources of nutrition your body can use wisely. We also uncovered the 6 proteins you should never touch, from processed meats and canned beef to organ meats and salted fish, because they're loaded with harmful sodium, phosphorus, and toxins that can silently push your kidneys into deeper trouble. Remember, it's not about giving up food, it's about making smarter, safer choices that support your kidneys every single day. Tiny tweaks to your plate can lead to massive changes in your health over time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more kidney-friendly guidance like this. And always, before making any major changes, talk to your doctor or renal dietitian. They'll help you tailor this advice to your unique needs. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep protecting those kidneys. You've got this.